I left the aquifern area of the Greenwood Wildlife Management Area. I think I said forest. That's probably some hobbit territory. But Greenwood Wildlife Management Area. And took a right on 72 and then took a right on 539. Traveling north a little bit to come up and see this area near the fire tower. The fire tower is actually off in that direction that I'm pointing. Or maybe that way more. I don't know. I forget. I haven't been out here before. I was just looking at the Google Maps again. But I wanted to come out here and see this area where they had a prescribed burn recently. And even driving down with the windows closed, I could smell it. So adds another layer of I don't even know what to call it. Enjoyment? I don't want to say enjoyment, but it is kind of enjoyable, you know. Have that smell as well as the sights and the sounds. Still raining, got 47 degrees, but I came dressed for the weather. And I'm going to just take a little stroll down that way there, see what there is to see. Just stepped off the road for a moment here to get the feel of this landscape. It's another one of those things you see these cut out shapes on the Google Maps and stuff, and until you get out here you can't be sure what you're going to find. Yeah. I'm glad I came out because this is another one of those things I wanted to see. What is that shape out there? Why is that out there? Well, there's a road going out to it, but I'm standing on top of a mound blocking the road. So, I mean, I guess that's being protected from all kinds of vehicle traffic, which is a good thing. I'm going to take a little stroll down there and get some more pictures. Well, let's do a little spin from our starting point. I decided to come out in the middle and just go around. I thank the Lord for letting me come out and play today. Yeah. I'm gonna head back in the right direction towards the car along this fire break. Guess I'll get to that another day. As expected, no surprises here. Heading right back to the car along the road I came in on. So, wonder where to next. Well, I was just saying to my stick there that really earns his right to come on these trips with me. I was following another fire break back, and the bottoms of those, when they start filling up with water, they're just slippery, they're steep, sometimes hard to climb out of, and stick kept me from falling on my butt numerous times just on this short trek. I'm thinking that I'm going to drive down that way for a while, because I hiked down there at the beginning of this, and it seemed like a pretty solid road. So I'm going to see where that goes, but I'm going to end this video for now, and if I find something interesting down that way, it'll be a separate video, because I know my videos run a little long sometimes, and it's hard to want to watch them to the end. So if you've watched it to this point, thank you. I hope you enjoyed it, and hope I have some more good stuff for you. It's wholesome if it's not too well done. God bless.